Here is a tour of the lifts in the Foyleside shopping centre in Londonderry, voiced by AC Trains. First to those 2000s and Debenhams of custom Kono shoe school messages. As of 2020, the messages don't work anymore.
Level 4, Home Cafe Venue, customer toilets and children's wear.
3.
Level 1, menswear and Foyle Street exit. Level 2, health and beauty accessories, lingerie and Orchard Street exit.
On this day. 4. This one doesn't have a button. This one doesn't have a voice anymore. I'm not finding another one, but some run low on battery and some lots to do. So that's it.
Next to the glasses there, which has had a mob by Cone 2012, but it does have nice pre-doors though.
That's a tone level. Back again with syndicator change. Pavers, Dunn's doors, Dunn's doors only has a platform lift. H&M doesn't have a lift. Debenhams, so I'm gonna go there now after I've done this one. Watch the classic level. Classic cone level. We're going down to 3. Syndicator change. It's still hydraulic, it's just view buttons, indicator logic. I'm not going to take out 3 ways. That's it.
Next to the cones to the West Car Park main list, one of these lists has pre-doors and the other 2 don't. The left and middle one both clock to 4, but it's locked. Grrr.
Going down. Doors closed. Level 1A, car park. Doors open. Going down. Doors closed.
That's like 600 kilos, 21 persons, June 2008, more or less
Level 1,
15.
car park.
Custom
Doors
voice.
open.
Classic levels, got 4.
Going up.
All locked, we have 3. There's what's this indicator going up?
Level 1A,
Stop with
car
1A.
park. Doors open. Going up. Doors closed.
What's the classic level? What's the classic level?
Level 3, shopping. Doors open.
Next classic level, right, we'll go back down to
Doors
2A
closed.
and we'll switch lefts. 3,
Doors closed.
and we'll go back down to 2. So also has LED can run out. Well, mine have been around tripping all in, but
Level 3,
so right there, and
shopping.
we'll go back down to 2.
Doors open. Going down.
Where are you going?
Doors closed. Level 2A, car park. Doors
Oh, you going to 2?
Okay.
You going to 2?
Doors
Yeah.
Oh,
closed.
2A, no, it's 2A.
Doors open.
What's this 2A?
That's
Going
good.
down.
2A, yeah. Oh, nice day. Got a bit confused there.
Level 2, shopping.
We're all back at 2 and that's it.
Doors open.
Now to the Cone Adair lift to the East Car Park. There are 2 lifts, but they're not a set, and they have a custom voice. Well, sort of.
capacity 600 kilos, 20 persons. Year refurbished about 2014 or so. Sorry about that.
Floor 2A.
It's just 1621 over there, so it's going to 1A.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's going to 1A and we'll switch lefts.
Lift going down.
So the door slammed at a stop. You should say 3 on that for directory, but good job it doesn't now sound just confused.
Now to the exit lift, which is another Adair mounted by Cone with a nice 4th generation EcoDisc motor, which looks a bit like a power disc.
Right, indoors. This isn't even, this looks a bit like a power disc was sent to 4-speed doors.
Thanks.
Last time I said I don't press the button. I did all the time, sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. That's it.